Deportations to Rwanda for people of colour coming across the channel fleeing war zones is due to begin on Tuesday, after the High Court decided to give them the go-ahead. White refugees will continue to be given homes amongst British families willing to take them in, of course. Isn't it strange that we can only offer Ukrainian refugees a place in our homes, yet aren't allowed to do likewise for a Syrian or an Afghan or anyone else that basically isn't white as well? The presiding judge, Justice Jonathan Swift, QC, has developed a bit of a rep for siding with the government. He was, some might remember, the presiding judge over the High Court case brought by legacy benefit claimants being discriminated against for not getting the same £20 uplift as universal credit claimants got. And he ruled against them too, despite acknowledging the unfairness. Campaigners aren't giving up and lodged an appeal, which will be heard on Monday. So this might yet get stopped. People are legitimately in fear of being sent to Rwanda. It does not have a good human rights record. Refugees have been killed there by Rwandan police in recent years. Another fear being targeted by the state they fled from. It's all being done before their cases are even heard. It's a fascist policy. It's a racist policy. It disgusts most sensible people in this country and appeals only to the same bigots, racists and fascists within our society who will become further emboldened by this. It's like the National Front are now running the Home Office. It's a basic failure of humanity. The very worst of us are in charge of this, smirking all the way as planes leave tarmac. I sincerely hope the appeal blocks this, because we're a seriously sick society. If not, it violates our international commitments. It is illegal. It's not even as if this policy is getting opposed properly either. When you consider the depravity of what is going on, surely even Labour, as pathetic as it is these days, will oppose this. And indeed they do. But the former human rights barrister now leading that party, instead of citing these human rights issues, the first thing most people would surely think of, his party's position is one of cost effectiveness, not the brutality, not the racism, but the price tag. This is one of those times where we need to ask ourselves what we can do as a society to stop this, because politics is failing. How far would you be prepared to go to stop this if our legal system fails too? Many spent last weekend celebrating pride in what it means to be British. But can you honestly take pride in a country doing this? If you wanted to open your home up to a refugee to help them, was it because they were white or just needed help? What will you do now?